My name's Melissa, and here on this channel, I help you make practical, affordable, holistic self-care solutions. And today we're making fire cider. To start, you are going to need a 1 quart or 1 liter glass jar. I already boiled these, so sterilize them in boiling water. And you're going to need these ingredients. I'll say them as we go. So we're gonna start with about half an onion, about half a cup of onion. You can really eyeball this. You can do less or more depending on what you have. We're gonna chop that up and we're gonna put it in the jar. We're gonna add about 1/4 cup of peeled garlics. We're gonna do about 1/4 cup of ginger root. About 2 tablespoons of turmeric. I'm gonna put a whole lemon in here. This is so good for cold and flu season. It's good for immunity and digestion and congestion. Okay, we're going to put in an jalapeno, a couple of hot peppers. We're gonna squeeze them down in there because we're running out of room in here. A tablespoon of peppercorns. A couple of sprigs of rosemary, a couple of sprigs of thyme. Okay, and then we're gonna cover it with apple cider vinegar. I just wanna make sure, basically, I'm gonna try and keep it below here so that I wanna kind of turn this lemon down so that the apple cider vinegar covers all of this. No problem. So now you're going to store it in a cool, dark place like in your pantry, or I'm gonna put it up here with my little growing apothecary for 3 to 4 weeks, and I'm gonna take it out daily, and you're gonna shake it daily. Shake. So that you make sure you infuse all the herbs. And after 3 to 4 weeks, you're gonna strain it through cheesecloth. Let me know if you want in the video another video in the comments below, another video of me straining it so you can see what it looks like when it's done in 3 to 4 weeks. And then you can take a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons a day to support your immunity, to relieve congestion, to support digestion. It's really great in cold and flu season. So that's fire cider. It's so easy to make and it's beautiful. And I'm so excited to see it in 3 to 4 weeks. And I'm really excited for my daughter to have it because she loves spicy things. So yeah, I'm really excited about this, and let me know in the comments if you tried too. Subscribe for more videos like this. My name's Melissa, and I make lots of practical, affordable, holistic self-care things like this on this channel.